YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm gonna be unboxing more of my JuiceWrld Vlone pieces that I've copped from the artist merch that they have dropped for the album Legends Never Die. So let's get into it. In July the drop dropped, and this was the first initial items that they put out. Now the previous video that I dropped before this video was from the second drop, and they had a third drop and a fourth drop, but at that point I was just like, I'm done. You guys are kind of milking it and kind of exploiting his death for profit, and I just didn't agree with that, and that rubbed me the wrong way, and I just can't get the taste out of that clown collab out of my mouth, and it was just so horrible, and they just pretty much just ruined that. They just butchered it, and I don't even know who thought that shit was cool or whatever, but that shit was just corny and just whack as fuck. But let's get into the first drop. Now the first drop I thought was pretty decent. Now from the leak images that I saw the cosmic hoodies and the cosmic tees. Everybody was going crazy over those, and I was just like, this is too much for me. I hope they put out some normal shit, some everyday shit, some shit that I can wear and not really feel like I don't know, I just can't get down with that cosmic hoodie. Not shitting on it, but I just know that's gonna be like the main piece that all the Fortnite boys are gonna have on, and I just didn't want that shit. But I'm not shitting on anybody who copped it or anything like that. I mean, it's cool, but it's just not for me. It's just a little bit too loud, just doing too much, which leads me to the pieces that I copped. Now they had, like, you know, your normal black tee. I thought this was a pretty clean piece. It says Legends Never Die on the front, and on the back it has the V with the 999 in it, which I thought was a pretty dope touch. Now they don't come with any tags inside the tees, like any Vlone V tags or anything like that. It comes with a little stamp, and that's about it. And you can see like where they cut off the initial tags from the blanks, and this has been on 2 of my t-shirts, and it's kind of like a gripe, but it's just like, I'm used to it at this point. And I've seen like people worse cutting tags, like you can like full on see like there's still like a huge chunk of tag just hanging out, but it's whatever, it's cool. But yeah, the tee came, and I want to say overall the printing is pretty well. The material, like blank that they used, was not the same material that they showed online. Now what they showed online was more of like a washed out, hefty, heavyweight type of tee, almost like the tinted tee that I did a review on. And I want to say I wasn't really mad about it. I was kind of happy, you know. It's like, oh, it's cool. You know, I'd rather just have like a all regular black tee than something washed out, faded, grayish looking. But yeah, I thought that was kind of weird. They weren't really upfront on everything as far as like the printing goes, on like what blanks they would be using. Like in the comments they were like, oh, we're using Vlone blanks, and oh, we're having Vlone tags, but they didn't specify that these are gonna be for the hoodies and stuff like that, which leads me into the next item, being the hoodies that you see here. Now the hoodie is pretty much like the tee that I copped. It has the Legends Never Die on the chest and on the back. Now this is like the fire part. It comes with like blue and purple flames on like the orange V, and I thought this was pretty dope. And I didn't have any purple hoodies at the time. You know, I thought pink and purple were just pretty nice colors to have as far as like hoodies go. I don't have that much like color in my wardrobe. I just mainly just wear black. So I thought that this would be a nice change of pace, and I really enjoy it. Like the blank is super heavy. Comparing these to my Vlone Pop Smoke hoodies, like it is just like night and day. Like the Vlone Pop Smoke hoodies are like super thin. You can tell like they were like gilding Whereas if I think with the 999 Club, I think they use the independent code blanks, but I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure they use some type of different blank. This was not a Gildan blank. They came with the Vlone tags, which was a shocker to me. It comes with the orange Vlone tag with 999 in the V, in the line of the V, and it says made in Vlone at the bottom of it on the size tag and everything. I thought that was just really dope, and that's just gonna make it easier for people to legit check these hoodies when trying to buy them off the secondhand markets years down the line. And now we get into the next item, which pretty much was like the cheapest item. Now for the tee, I spent, I want to say $75 or something like that, or $80, around like that. And for the hoodie, I spent around $135 or something like that. And for the mask itself, I spent only $25. And this has been, like, honestly, the piece that I wear the most, of course. During the time I did not have to go back to work, I really didn't have to go much outside of the house, but I figured just in case if I did have to, I would buy this mask as something to wear and replace the mask that I've been wearing before, which is like a regular off-white mask. But this mask is really amazing. I love the fact that it has the adjustable straps. The printing is really decent. It's really nice and thick, but breathable. You can definitely breathe through these things. And they cover up a lot of your face, whereas like some masks just don't really give you that much cover. And they also come with like a nose piece built in for like a nose bridge and everything like that. And the mask is super comfortable and I enjoy wearing it, and I'm just overall just loving my pieces. I've been wearing the hoodie just like non-stop for like a couple days straight, and it's just honestly just a really good piece, and I'm super happy with my purchases. And I want to say it was worth the wait, and anybody who was still waiting on their items, just hang on in there, and you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys copped or what you're thinking about copping. And I want to say thank you for tuning in. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and also stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping more videos. I have a video coming up soon on the off-white rubber dunks, and I cannot wait. I am super amped. This is like the first raffle I was able to like actually like win, so this is like really dope, and I'm just super excited about this. Thank you for watching, and also thanks for all the support on all my other events videos and different things like that, and just stay tuned. Appreciate it.